Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching the February 2025 Simply Earth box opening. Yeah, I was able to figure out that it was February because up here, it tells me it was shipped in February of 2025, so yay! And they gave us a clue of what's inside here. It says Soap Hero. Let's see if it's about soap in here. I am looking forward to getting the October, because the October one is supposed to be about home remedies. As always, this is an independent business owner, and they promise that 13% of their profits will go to help end human trafficking. All right. All kinds of goodies. Let's see what all we've got here. We have got sage. Let's just put this here so you can see a little bit better. Sage. And copaiba. C-O-P-A-I-B-A. Guess I'll find out what that is. A citrus blend. And one is called Love. And we have yellow gold mica powder. And glycerin melt and pour soap. Ha, we were right. It was about soap. And I'm going to guess we're going to color it a brilliant gold if that's what we decide to do. We have a little mold. And of course, when you get good at it and you enjoy it, you can always go to the store and buy other molds and things. But this way, you get this in the mail, you can just go ahead and start working on it. You don't have to worry about going to the store and, getting other supplies. They've got everything you need, for the most part. So we have all of our little stickers. And again, I love, you put the stickers on here, and then you can see at a glance what you've got. Our little flyer, our Simply Earth soap, 0 to Hero, and you've earned a badge. So when you go through these, you can put your little badge on there that you have mastered. Introducing a DIY loofah soap kit. That's for purchase. All right. And you can do the essential oil course, more about soap making. And I really think they try everything they can to make this as easy and painless process as possible. So we have a True Love Room Spray. Alright, so for this one it says from your box, it tells you what you need, and then it says from your home. You would need a 1-ounce amber spray bottle and distilled water or perfumer's alcohol. Well, I do have the distilled water because I have a CPAP machine. First date roll-on. Sunshine scrub bar. Lovebirds diffuser blend. Heart of gold. This one it does say you'll need a round silicone mold. Easy to find. Glitter and gold shower steamer. It tells you what you need from the box. From the home, you need baking soda and a paintbrush. A lot of these you can pick up at your Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. A lot of different places. But if you're wanting to just totally get started, well, you have some that, boom, oh, this one says you need a tablespoon of sugar from your home. They provide everything else from the box. This one, you don't need anything else but what's in the box. So that makes it awesome. And again, a lot of these items are for sale on their website. You can have them added onto your next box, and there's no shipping. If you want them right away, they'll ship them, but you'll pay shipping in addition to the cost of the item. Always remember to check the back of your recipe cards. Lots of QR codes and some information. Oh, that one's got the instructions continuing on the back. And I have a little notebook that I put these in. It would be a, like a postcard book. I just got the postcard pages and I just slide these in. What are these, like 4x6, 3x5? It's your little index cards. So this promises to be a lot of fun. Different things. Again, it's non-toxin. If you want to learn more, check out the link below. And if you do choose to order, please use my link. It does help me out quite a bit to keep learning and keep getting the supplies. But check out their website. You'll find it's real easy to work with. They're very straightforward. They want you to succeed. At least that's what I get, is that they are wanting me to succeed. They're wanting me to be successful in making my home toxin-free, not being reliant on things. So very, very awesome. All right, so that was February. I wonder what month I'll pick up next. Well, you'll just have to come back and see what month I happen to grab for the next video. Be sure to like and share. Make comments. Let me know what you think about these boxes. Have you been a Simply Earth customer? What do you think of it? Most importantly, don't forget to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'll see you here next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.